Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I am wearing Khloe by Tress Allure in the color Honey Bean. And I want to thank Leanne from the Beauty Nook for sending me this wig to review for you today. So if you're not familiar with Leanne, Leanne has a Facebook group that she sells through. So the name of the group is the Beauty Nook. So the banner on the Facebook page for the group looks just like this. If you haven't joined it yet, come on over to Facebook. There's a few questions that you answer and then you can join the group. The name of the group, because she has two pages. She has the Beauty Nook, which is her business page, but then she also has the Beauty Nook wigs, hair loss support, and makeup support. That's the group that you want to join. On Friday nights, she has a live sale and she gets some great deals on some wigs, and then she passes those deals on to us. And she tries the wigs on for us, she does a spin, she talks about the cap construction, tells you everything you need to know. You can type in questions in the comments and she'll answer the questions for you right then and there. And she has great deals on those wigs in the live, but then she also has the ability to order any wig that you want her to order. So you can just message her through Facebook Messenger, or you can also follow her on Instagram at the Beauty Nook Look, and you can DM her through Instagram, and you can just tell her the name of the wig that you want, the color of the wig, or a color range that you're looking for. She can help you with color. She can answer any questions that you need her to answer. And it's just a lot of fun. So come on over and join the Facebook page and join in on the fun. So let's talk about Khloe from Tress Allure. So Khloe is a really cute little layered bob. She's got, I love the way they cut her so that these layers down here are turning in towards the chin. I think they're just really, really pretty, very feminine, and that will flatter a lot of different face types. So her measurements are, she's got a 5-inch bang here in the front, and it's of course, side swept bang with it being 5 inches, but I have seen her with a bang cut in. So have no fear if you're a bang person, you can easily cut a bang in and it looks really, really cute with a bang cut into it as well. So then she has a 9-inch measurement from the crown and a 4-inch nape. Now she has a few other layers in here that I didn't find included in her measurements, so I will tell you what I found. I found a 10-inch, and then going all the way down here to the end, I found it to be 11 inches. So an 11-inch overall measurement. So really, really cute wig. The color is called Honey Bean, and it is a beautiful medium brown with a light caramel brown, or I also saw it described as a strawberry blonde highlight. So really, really pretty color. The highlights are definitely visible. You can see the two colors just like you see there on the camera. But they're really, really well done. They're not too chunky and too overdone. They're just really nicely done. And I just think they're very beautifully done. So the fibers, this is my first Tress Allure wig, and I love these fibers. The fibers are a bit drier. I wouldn't say they are as dry as an Aesthetica wig, but I didn't have to spray her with any kind of dry shampoo or anything like that. So her cap construction is she's got a full mono top. So I've got her parted over here on the left, but with that full mono top, you can part her in the middle, you can part her on the right. You might have to, get her damp to move that part over and things like that, because she came with this left-hand side part, but you will have that appearance of scalp anywhere on the top there. So really, really well done for that full mono top. I'll show you the lace front. Lace front is really, really nice. I think for a brunette, the knotting is great and looks very realistic. I've been wearing her pulled back in a bump, so I'm perfectly happy with that lace front. So, and then that full mono top, of course, goes ear tab to ear tab, which I'll show you in just a moment. So let's look at the ear tabs. Ear tabs are really, really well done. Nice and flush against my face. Good sized piece of metal in there. So just what you're looking for with an ear tab. Very, very well done. Hugs right around my ear. Fits just fine. Really, really nice. So I have a petite average circumference of 21 inches. I had to cinch up the adjusters on the inside just a little bit, and they are staying just great. So I'll cover those in just a moment. So let me talk about how I've been styling her. I said I have been putting her in a bump, and let me tell you, she bumps really cute. Very, very cute. And then a few little baby hairs want to fall down, which is really pretty. It looks very natural. So super, super cute little bump. I love a wig, especially in the summer. She can put a bump in the front there, but she's also really cute just to you know, put a little clip, you know, just to clip her out of your eyes a little bit if you want to, you know, clip her off to the side a little bit. And then she's really cute, pulled back like this. These claw clips are just the best with wigs. And then a few little layers want to fall down, and that is really, really cute too. So, very cute. Very, very cute. So, cute, cute style. So let me go ahead and turn, show you her all the way around. So here is the front. My right side. The back. Back is really, really cute. Left side. And then back to the front. So let's pop her off and let's look at the cap construction here. Okay. So, full mono top. Gives you the ability to part it anywhere, like I said. Temple to temple lace front. Lace is a sturdy lace. I like that. Not scratchy or anything, but nice, sturdy. I'm happy with the lace. She's got lace covered ear tabs. Like I said, they have a great substantial piece of metal in there. She's got the bra strap type adjusters. But I will say, I adjusted these one time and they have not moved on me. So I'm impressed with the adjusters. And then she has a felt strip going across here. And so I think what I'll probably do is, now that I found the sweet spot with my adjusters, I may take a little piece of Velcro and just stick it on there, and then that Velcro will stick to that felt, and those ear tabs or those adjusters are not moving. And then the cap itself is open wefted. It's stretchy. So I have a 21-inch circumference and I had to adjust it a little bit. And so I know it will easily stretch to an average circumference, and then beyond that, Leanne can advise you on that. So really, really cute. As far as permatease, there is some permatease. I don't know that I can get it on camera, but there is some permatease at the roots, but it's very, very minimal. Not a lot of permatease. So I'm happy with it. And with the layering, you can get the volume. If you want to have volume, you can get volume in it. But then if you don't want to have volume, got a hair stuck under there, you don't have to have volume. So really, really cute little piece. So again, I want to thank Leanne from the Beauty Nook for sending me this piece. If you like what you see in this video, please like and subscribe below, and I will keep bringing more content. And until next time, don't forget you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.